According to the sources, former Mumbai top cop Sachin Vaz has admitted to the NIA that he destroyed 5 mobile phones, including his official one, after Mumbai police recovered the dead body of Mansukh Hiren from Kalwa Creek on March 5th. Reportedly, the NIA officials have taken help of experts to retrieve Sachin Vaz's mobile phone data, which would give them crucial digital evidence about his involvement in the Mansukh Hiren death case. The NIA suspects that Vaz was using at least 13 mobile phones. Earlier, Maharashtra ATS sources had revealed that Mansukh Hiren was administered chloroform and then thrown in the creek. The officials also suspect the presence of Sachin Vaz during the murder. Phase 1 of voting in Assam and West Bengal has begun. Voters in large numbers gathered outside the polling stations from early in the morning to vote. Election Commission says voter turnout till 1 p.m. is 24.4% and 36% in Assam and West Bengal respectively. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi took to Twitter to urge everyone, especially youngsters, to vote in record numbers. After visiting Jeshooreshwari Kali temple on the second day of his Bangladesh visit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said Government of India will build a community hall at the temple for multi-purposes. Prime Minister Modi offered prayer at Jeshooreshwari Kali temple today. He later told the press that he prayed to free the human race from COVID-19. He also explained the need of a community hall at the temple for multi-purposes, including social, religious and emergency situations, and informed that Government of India will construct one. As the Phase 1 of West Bengal elections are underway, Rajya Sabha member from TMC, Derek O'Brien, expressed his confidence on TMC's performance in the West Bengal Assembly polls. He said Bengal's daughter will defeat Bengal's traitor in his own backyard at Nandigram. He also called the BJP party members of the tourist gang and said they will continue to do what they do best, that is, try and destroy the institutions in India. India has recorded 62,258 fresh cases today, the biggest single-day jump in the last 5 months. Maharashtra alone has recorded 36,902 new cases. Meanwhile, speaking on the vaccine inequity in an informal UN General Assembly meeting, the Indian UN Ambassador K. Nagaraj has informed that the country has supplied more COVID-19 vaccines globally than vaccinated its own people.